All right, if you got your beads, you're still watching this, we're on to the third one in this basic. This is the basic prayer that'll get you on your way when you get your Zulu beads. All right. Ending this prayer off is Allahu Akbar. Or if you're the Christian persuasion, you want to say Hallelujah. Allahu Akbar meaning God is the greatest. Hallelujah meaning God is the greatest. You say tomato, I say tomato. Let's get busy. Hallelujah. Allahu Akbar. Hallelujah. Allahu Akbar. I like to call that beat Hallelujah and that beat Allahu Akbar. It's like they having a sing-off. Hallelujah. Allahu Akbar. 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 Hallelujah. When you get to that beat, that yellow beat, you always say, what up, Zulu? Can I get a blessing, please? Thank you. Zulu, what up? Jahrastafari, keep moving. Allahu Akbar. Hallelujah. Allahu Akbar. Hallelujah. Skip. Hallelujah. Allahu Akbar. 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 Hallelujah. Akbar. That is just too much animation for one video.